In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A36, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use on the top half of your screen and launching it in the background. Then tap on the icon of it available at the top. Select Open in split screen view and click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, you can drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit Home button, or open background apps now and swipe both. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!